Hello guys, welcome to ZIAS. Guys, this video is going to be very relevant for you if you are preparing for civil services with sociology as the optional. Whether it is UPSC or state PSC, if the optional is sociology, this video is going to help you a lot. Guys, even if you have not decided your optional and if you are in a confusion what to choose, then also this is going to help you a lot. Okay, I'm Safir. I have cleared UPSC mains 3 times with sociology as the optional and I've topped the subject 2 times and I got 112th rank in my 3rd attempt. In all the 3 attempts, I went till interview with sociology as the optional. So I know what to read, what not to read, how to approach this paper and everything. And I've mentored thousands of students, guys. So I've come across all the problems of these students. I myself have faced all these challenges in finding the material, writing an appropriate answer, the answer writing format, the thought framework, what the questions need to be selected, because you will be getting choices also when you're writing the exam, right? Even selecting those specific and good questions which is going to reward you better, that is also a very vital, that will also play a very vital role in deciding your mark. And 1 mark is around 10, 12, 15, 20 ranks if you're going below. Don't forget that. So everything what we will do is we will discuss in a special webinar that I'm going to conduct on Saturday, this Saturday at 6 p.m. You will be joining me on the webinar. I'll discuss everything related to sociology. Guys, when I make a promise, everything, literally everything will be covered. You might have seen my videos in YouTube. There I'm discussing sociology, different topics, and you have understood the quality of classes. So imagine when you're joining for this webinar, what all benefit that you're going to get. Not only what I've promised, now I'll be giving you a lot of other surprises also. Join me on the webinar. I don't want everyone to join the webinar because we will have limited access and I don't want all the noises to come. So only those who are interested, please click the link which is given below. Join the webinar. Once you join the webinar, immediately you will get the login ID and password. Okay, guys, and you will get in touch with me also after that. Whatever doubts you have, you will be able to interact with me live. So in this 2-hour session, we will be interacting. I'll be discussing everything related to sociology and it will be a much bigger value addition in your preparation, guys. Trust me, I'm promising you that you will be getting a lot of value for the time that you're going to spend along with me. So see you on Saturday and at 6 p.m. See you guys. Thank you.